there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for all things comparison. Today, we've got a high-flying, sky-scraping showdown between two drones, the Holystone HS-175D and the LMRC-12. So, buckle up, because it's time to take off. First up, let's talk about the price. The Holystone HS-175D will set you back a cool $229. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 is a budget-friendly $79. So if you're feeling like a high roller, go Holystone. But if you're more of a penny pincher, the LMRC-12's got your back. Next, let's talk camera quality. The HS-175D boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a Hollywood director in your backpack. Reviewers love the impressive picture and video quality, making it great for recreational use. Meanwhile, the LMRC-12 offers a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. Sure, it's not 4K, but hey, it's still better than your grandma's flip phone camera. Users find the video quality good for the price, especially for beginners. Now onto the GPS auto return feature. The Holystone HS-175D has this nifty GPS feature that automatically brings the drone back home if it loses signal, goes out of range, or has low power. It's like a homing pigeon, but with Wi-Fi. Reviewers appreciate the reliability of this feature. The LMRC-12, however, doesn't have this feature. So if it flies away, you might need to hire a search party. Or just wave it goodbye. Flight experience is another biggie. The Holystone HS-175D offers up to 46 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. Plus, it has all these fancy functions, like altitude hold, optical flow, and headless mode. Basically, it's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Reviewers love the stable flight and ease of use. The LMRC-12, on the other hand, gives you 26 minutes of flight time, which is still pretty decent. It also has headless mode, altitude hold, and even hand gesture photos video. Users find it easy to use and great for beginners, although some mention the controls can be glitchy. Design-wise, the Holystone HS-175D is foldable and comes with a carrying case. It's like the James Bond of drones, sleek, portable, and always ready for action. Reviewers find it very convenient for travel. The LMRC-12 is compact and designed for all ages, from kids to adults. It's like the family minivan of drones, functional, reliable, and great for weekend getaways. However, some users mention that the case is not secure and parts may fall out. Lastly, let's talk about intelligent functions. The HS-175D can trace and follow you, fly along a set path, and even take photos when you pose. It's practically your personal paparazzi. Reviewers love the intelligent features for added fun and convenience. The LMRC-12 has its own tricks too, like drawing a flight path on your app, and it's US certified with professional technical support. Users appreciate the value it offers for beginners, although some mention the app can be difficult to navigate. Overall, the Holystone HS-175D is praised for its premium features, reliable GPS, and high-definition camera, making it a great choice for those willing to invest a bit more. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 is celebrated for its affordability, ease of use, and decent camera quality, making it an excellent entry-level option for beginners. All right, smart shoppers, there you have it. The Holystone HS-175D versus the LMRC-12. Whether you're looking for high-end features or an affordable entry point, there's a drone for you. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.